Hey YouTube, this is Karen and Katelyn. We are going to go on a wild edibles walk this morning. We are doing a VR for Dawn at Southpaw Bushcraft. And this couldn't come at a better time because I've been letting Katelyn study my book this summer and having her start to read about wild edibles and look at the pictures, that type of thing, and I'm going to see how many she can pick out. And we're going to show you them along the way. So let's get started. Oh, well, wait a minute. I better put out a warning first. If you're doing wild edible, if you're learning them, never, ever, ever eat anything out of the woods or along the roads or anything like that unless you have positively identified them. And what I mean by that is, this is how we do it. We'll take our book with us, we'll pick out something, we'll look at it, we'll look at, the books help you identify stems, leaves, roots, where they grow. It has to have all that, not just one. It has to have all of them. Then we'll take them home and then we'll go on YouTube and we'll watch several videos, not just one. Never take any one person's video for granted that they're right. We'll watch several videos. We'll Google it. We'll get bigger pictures. We'll get more colorful pictures until we positively identify it. I actually like to take somebody with me that already knows the plant, or ask somebody on YouTube and take a picture of it, because it's really important, because they can be poisonous. So just want to put that out there, that when in doubt, throw it out. Well, here Katelyn found her first one. She found the bull thistle. There don't have a lot of flowers left on them, but I know what it is, and I told her, you're exactly right. That is a bull thistle right there. So in the book it says, with the spines removed, the young leaves can be added to salads or cooked as greens. The pithy young stems are excellent peeled and eaten green. So you can peel those thorns off, actually, and eat them raw if you were really, really hungry. Did you know that? Yeah. That's the bull thistle, but any thistle, actually, is what the book says. Here she found another one. There's the flower that she found, and there's the picture. And this is Spiderwort. You must like purple, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And in the book it says used in a salad, cooked green, or it can be candied. Katelyn asked me, was that a wild carrot, because she spotted the little black flower in the center. And I said yes. And what's the other identifying mark, Katelyn, that you know?
Stem.
Hairy stem. That's exactly right. A hairy stem. The poisonous one does not have a hairy stem. So this has a hairy stem. We see the black dot. So we would probably pull that up, and if it smells like a carrot, it's a wild carrot. But really, from all the research that I've read, once it flowers, the root is pretty woody. You have to get it before it flowers. But you can eat the flowers. You can fritter them. And they're really delicious, actually. I've had them before. But that's a wild carrot. Here's another one she just spotted. This is Sumac. Get you a real nice close-up of it. She's looking for one on the ground right now. So here's what she found, and here's the flower. Here's the picture of it. It's got lots of hair. It's really hairy. And then she also found a leaf. I wanted you to take a look at the leaf. And it is toothed. And that's important because the poison one, the leaves are toothless. So we know we got the right one. And the book says it makes a great tea. And I've seen this on YouTube. People make tea from it.
And also pink lemonade.
Pink, well, yeah. It's called pink lemonade. Okay, here's her next one. She found chicory. There's the picture in the book. And there's what she found. And I'll show it to you on the bush. It's kind of mixed in with a wild grape. And here the next one she spotted was mullein. And I've done a video on this. You can find all about mullein. But she remembered the picture and what it looked like, and she spotted it.
And I pulled the whole root out.
Mullein, yeah, she pulled the whole root out. Mullein's great. It's got a lot of good properties.
And it's tall.
And it's tall. It grows really tall. And in the book, this one is saying that it's good for a tea. You steep the leaves and make a tea out of it. And it's good for your lungs. It's a good expectorant. That's just one good thing about mullein. Here's a really nice stand of mullein right here. And then on down the road, there's a whole bunch of it. Now this right here is curly dock. But it's really late, so I can't, there's no leaves left on it. I can just see the brown tops. But Katelyn will go down and pick one. We can see it up close. Because we're like on a little, we're on a bridge looking out to the lake. Okay, so we went down and picked one. And says the flowers, greenish flowers or brownish seeds with heart-shaped wings. And Katelyn says, yep. She looked at them really close. It looks like a heart to me. Oh, the sun's over that way. Can't do it. But it says used cooked greens and salad, the very young leaves before they become too bitter. So you have to find this plant when it's really young. Can be added fresh to salads or boiled for 10 to 15 minutes. If the leaves are too bitter, 2 or 3 changes of water should be used. It's rich in protein and vitamin A. I do know that you can make a flour out of those seeds. I've seen it on YouTube. Joe and Zach Survival did it. Look at all those seeds that she's pulled off. They're inside there, heart-shaped. Okay, Katelyn is going to try to remember all the names of the wild edibles that she picked. Let's see if she can do it.
Okay. Sumac.
That's right.
Spiderwort.
That's right.
This is curly dock.
Right.
This is mullein.
Mullein, yeah.
Red clover.
Yeah, we didn't talk about red clover, but she asked me what it was and I told her. And then what's this one up here? This other purple one. You kept having a hard time with this one. Buck, 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 buck.
Chicory.
Chicory, that's right. Very good. So what do you say, Katelyn?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm going to put a link to Dawn Southpaw Bushcraft up in the video. If you don't know her, get to know her. Go on over to her channel. She has an awesome channel. Thanks, everybody.
Smells like potatoes.